going back,
Yeah.
you come same gate.
Okay.
Okay.
Sure.
Here is, otherwise you change gate.
Masuknya satu-satu. Mau buat bikin tuh.
Yeah, you are right. But there is a second thing as well. Like if we throw the food inside the water, the water will get down in the aquarium.
Wait, mau Kak Budi kangen sama
I want sandwich.
sandwich. Are you sure? Oh, belajar suka
Cheeseburger, hamburger.
for little cheeseburger.
One large fries.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Apa ini? Aku makan.
Tadi anterin.